All right, I've got my helper here. Hey Mario, can you say hi?
Hi.
Got our aluminum 5.3. It's got iron sleeves and aluminum block. Simple. They press them in there. Now this guy, back to our mystery. Looks like we've got something similar, except they've done something else too. I think a couple people suggested that it had a steel core cast into it, and it looks like that may be the case, because inside this hole, it's not as deep as the outer wheel, is magnetic. But when you grind that weld, come on, focus, you fucking, okay. I don't know if that's just because it's just terrible manufacturing, but there is definitely aluminum and steel mixed. You can see it there. Now, I don't think that their purpose is, I believe they're attaching to something steel, because obviously, why else would you hit steel when you drill in, not all the way through it? So they cast steel into that, and then through their shitty manufacturing, looks like their welds are mixing. They're probably just like, well, you know, good enough. But God, it mixed awfully well too, so I don't know. But this is definitely, did you steal the deburr? Oh, here it is, okay. This is definitely aluminum. Look how soft that is, see? And then that's definitely steel. So maybe the answer is a little bit of both. I don't know.